hope she's not busy due to this work. This work. Mommy. Let me check. Hope she responds. Hi, Mommy.
Hold on there. I'm at the park. I walk. I'm come out of the sun.
No problem.
Hold on. Hold on. Walk on. Come on.
I'm good.
Oh, damn bees. Alright, you can see me?
Yes, I can see you, Mom.
Alright, how you do?
I'm fine. I'm just home thinking about you, so why not call?
Oh, okay. Yeah, me there. The sun come over to answer, so me there at the park I walk, you know? So me get some vitamin D.
Okay.
So you do? You look a bit down, though. You eat anything for morning?
I'm actually here eating some snacks. One of my favorites. Nothing much. Everything is okay with me. What's going on with you?
Yeah, like me say, me just there. I kind of take it easy, get a little bit of the vitamin D, come at the park. Well, you know, look like yourself, cheery and everything. You sure not now go on?
Yes, Mommy, everything good.
You sure?
Yes, Mom, I'm good. I'm fine. Seeing you made me even better. I love you.
Love you to my daughter.
And you're still pretty like me, but I'm prettier.
Well, you're supposed to be prettier. You're younger.
Okay, you're pretty.
You're supposed to be prettier.
Okay, Mommy.
So you're sure everything all right? There's nothing that needs to be...
Everything good. Home is good. My brother is fine. Everybody okay.
Everybody all right?
Everyone okay. It's just the crime in Jamaica now is my problem.
Well, I don't really see a problem that, that bigger than you. All you have to do just try to keep yourself safe and out. I mean, even though we try, but, the company, the type of company that where you keep and so, you have to be careful of that and places where you go because that bigger than you, that's a fight where you can't even find up to take on.
So sad.
So, and just remember to continue to pray and always put God first as a reason. So never forget that.
Never.
Sector your life.
God all the way.
Alright, so my daughter, you sure everything good? Want to the boyfriend the way you did that? Is everything still alright with you now?
Mommy, no. I'm gone.
What do you mean him gone? Him gone where?
But him dead.
So wait a second. So
alright. He left from Jamaica to overseas to return and he did not return. So I got the news that he died.
okay. Well, so how you holding up? Because, them something you sometimes, you don't even know because all kind of stuff can happen and he could still, even probably still alive. But how you doing? How you handling it?
Mom, it's not easy. It's not easy to be honest. All I'm doing is trying to build a relationship with myself. I just spend time with myself, talk to myself and try to keep the faith and try to overcome this. It's very painful to lose him. We were very close. We have this close chemistry and relationship and it just gone without even saying, Sky, goodbye. I love you. You would say goodbye. He just left. We just left, Mom.
It rough, my daughter. It rough and then me not there. But, what happened to that doctor there? They have one doctor out there named Dr. Goodman or something to that. Maybe you should have go see him, you know. Me I go send something for you and maybe you see him and talk to him in the meantime because me not there and when them something happen, it rough, it can cause problem and you know when you get to the stage where big problem coming. So me not feel good now you tell me that, but me I go call you back.
What's the doctor name, Dr. Goodman?
I saw him name, you know, I wanna me name, you know him, I wanna my friend, husband, psychologist or psychiatrist, me remember. Yeah, my daughter, you know why me know say rough and me not daddy, so they'll send something for you and you check Dr. Goodman, because like me say, one of my friend, people me hear about him. And we will talk more because me call you back and talk more because it start to get cool again. And so me there at the park, like so me there at the park, and me and I shade and me cool. So me call you back again, alright, my daughter?
Alright, stay safe, mommy. I love you.
Love you, but remember me say make sure God is at the center. And we know that sometimes when things like this happen, we tend to to give up God and so, but not give him up. Continue to pray and stay strong. I love you and we call you back later. Alright, now go when you go home, you're going to send out something so you can contact Dr. Goodman, alright?
Okay, best moment ever.
Alright, love you, my daughter. We talk later.
Mwah, mwah. Bye.
Bye.
Hello, Dr. Henry speaking. Let me check on my schedule. Alright, so yes, I'll be available. Does 9 a.m. work for you? Okay, sure. Yes, man. So whenever you're ready, between 9 to 10 a.m. Alright, see you then. Okay. Security?
The boss.
Security?
Yes, boss. I'm coming, boss.
Come, just a minute.
Yes, boss.
Alright, have a seat. I need to talk with you.
Yes, boss.
So I had to call you twice.
Boss, I was just using the bathroom downstairs.
Using the bathroom all the time. That's what you've been doing.
No, boss. No. Today is not the day for, to stress you out, boss. I know it's the first day of the week, boss. You understand? So I wouldn't do that, boss.
Look here, man. You've been messing around with this job, you know. Do you want this job?
I need the job, boss.
It don't seem like you want the job.
I need the job because I'm tired to wash the car. I'm tired.
Listen, man, I employed you for a reason here.
Yes, boss.
So don't mess this up for me.
All right, boss.
You're not being punctual. From the other day, you've been going on the road and you've been smoking.
But after just one cigarette, boss.
If you're here for a reason.
Yes, boss.
I need you to stay at your post and don't be walking up and down like a fugitive. Okay?
Yes, boss. I will.
As a matter of fact, I'm expecting some persons.
Right now, boss?
Best behavior, that's what I need.
Yes, boss. I will make sure that...
As a matter of fact, what is your job here? What are you doing here?
To secure the place. I make
to
sure...
secure the place. Is
Yes.
it to smoke?
You smell it on me, boss?
Yes, I do.
Alright, sorry, boss.
And I see you through that window.
May I change my shirt, boss? But sorry about that, boss. It will never happen again, boss.
You know, I've been receiving some complaints about you and I haven't said anything.
But me?
Yes,
Saying
you.
what? Oh, but... Boss, I'm sorry, boss.
You're not at your post, that's a complaint. You need to be there at all times. You see this building here?
Yes,
It's
boss.
very important. And we cannot afford for any mishap to happen. Should I replace you?
No, boss, no, boss, no, boss. Please don't do that, boss. I really need a job, boss. And you see, having a job like this is good for me in regards to my resume. Because where I come from, people don't like people like me down there.
Well, I cannot say that I care about where you come from. But the next time you think about messing up, think about your job.
Yes, boss.
Or else I'll be forced to fire you. Okay?
Okay, boss.
You may leave.
Alright, boss. So, the food done, boss? I'm for trade away.
It's okay. Go and do your job. Your
Alright.
job is not to control my food. Go and do your job.
Alright,
Bye.
boss. Have a good day, boss.
You too. Bye.
I think I see a lady downstairs wanting to come. Should I let her up, boss?
No, leave her down there. Go and do your job.
Yes, boss.
How did you come in here? You did not knock. Who let you in?
The security of course, some feel let in myself.
And you did not bother to knock.
I don't see no door.
You know what? It's not your fault. It's okay. Let me call the security.
You have one door, miss? I don't see no door for knock on.
Security? Imagine I just let you off with a stern warning and you managed to mess up so quickly. Listen. You know what, as a matter of fact, it's okay. I got this. Yes, ma'am. So sorry about that. It's just that we have to follow protocol in. It's okay. It's okay. Alright, so what's your name? What's your name, miss? Alright, let's see what's happening here. Alright, it's okay. It's okay. You're safe. You are safe. What's your name? No, calm down, calm down. What's your name so I can help you? Would you like to tell me your name? Why are you here? Let's have a conversation.
My name Dimple.
Dimple?
Yes.
Alright, Dimple. So why are you here? Why did you come here today? Take your time, no rush. Why are you here today?
Did I ask myself one question?
Ask yourself a question, alright? What's that question?
But me did answer myself already. But I want to figure if I see him and say I give me.
What's the question? Let me see if I have the answer or I can answer.
But did I ask myself if my husband private part too short or too long?
Alright, so
But me answer myself already. If me think it too long.
too long. Alright. No, Dimple, is there anybody that I can contact for you?
Contact? What do you mean?
Is there anybody that I can call for you?
Anybody?
Yes.
Funny for people that me have in my place.
No, man,
Alright.
like your family and friend, anybody that can talk to for you?
Family? Family.
Yeah. Like
Right.
your relatives, anybody at all.
Relative. Actually, somebody me live with.
Who are they?
Durian. Public. All that.
Awesome.
Yes.
Alright, do you know the numbers?
Then I have no phone.
No phone?
Mm-mm.
Alright, no problem.
They always go over next door, go borrow people them phone.
Okay.
But the card pop off.
Alright, here's what I'm going to do.
But they still use your make call.
They do?
Yes.
Alright, so here's what I am going to be doing for you today. I want you to go home
Home?
And I'm gonna give you a
Mimi.
business card. Go home where you're coming from right now. Alright? I want you to
I don't know where Riverton dump me come from.
That's where you live? Oh my god.
Anything I want to eat, me go down there go get it.
Your situation sounds really sad.
No, people them throw whole heap of things over Riverton dump and me go down there go take them out. And me cook rice and chicken. You
Alright.
want some?
Thank you so much. I appreciate the thought.
They have food.
Alright, you can have it. You can have it.
They have food.
It's okay. It's okay.
This not taste good.
It's okay. Take your time. Take your time. It's alright. Alright, so here's what I'm going to be doing. You can have the rest of it, okay? You can bring it home and share it with your brother. So here's what I'm going to be doing for you.
You say give me food.
You were just eating the food.
It not smell good.
But you said that you liked it.
Me like the one when I been.
Alright, no problem.
But you
So,
cook this from your yard?
I bought it on the road. If you don't want it, you can leave it. But if you want it, it's fine.
It's a nasty girl.
No man, that's alright. Let's calm down. Calm
You.
down. Calm down.
They're too nasty.
Calm down.
Look what you do. Look there.
Jesus, have mercy.
Nasty.
Oh my God. So,
All this, what you do?
alright, calm down. This is my private stuff. I cannot show this to you. This is client information. Alright? But not to worry. Calm down.
Who for key this?
Calm down, miss. You're touching everything in here. Calm down. This is what I want you to do. This is my card. I want you to go home.
Your card.
Yes.
At least I use the
I
machine and
want
take
to-
out money.
No. This is my card with all my contact and this is all my numbers. So I want you to go home and I want you to give me a call. Whosoever that you have at home, tell them to give me a call and we can take it from
My nose
there.
has scratch me.
I don't have any napkin, you know.
I shit me smell.
Miss, you're not smelling any feces right now. This is an office. I don't have feces laying around in here. Alright? Just relax, relax. I know what you're feeling. Relax. I know what you're feeling.
Your baby.
I showered this morning, but it's okay. Alright, so I'm gonna have to escort you now. Have another client, okay? But please feel free to give me a call and come back with somebody so we can start
What is
your
this?
treatment.
What
This is
is
my number on here. Alright, so we need to start your treatment.
Number?
Something is going on up here.
My eye.
Alright?
My eye. Something.
No man, somebody at home can see it for you.
Something looking at my eye.
I'll have to escort you now. Let's go.
Look something.
Alright, let me look. It's fine, it's okay.
Look right here.
It's fine, man, it's fine. It's fine. Come, let's go. Let's go, we have to go. Come, we have to go. Alright, this is where I draw the line. Just relax, give me a second. It's okay, it's gonna be okay, okay? Relax, relax. You're gonna be okay, you're in safe hands. Yes, security, I need you to come to the office. Right now, security! 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 Come, let me go, miss.
Miss, what's the problem here? What's the problem here?
Wow. Shower is great. Best mommy ever. How are you, mom?
You can see me alright?
Yes, I can.
I look like something that's on the screen there. You see anything on your screen?
I'm just seeing a beautiful mommy.
Oh, okay. So as long as you can see me, but never can do that. Alright, there So we're good.
I just had a bath. I wish I was there to just lotion my skin for me.
I'm a daughter. I tell you. Oh, go on otherwise.
I'm good, just checking on my mommy.
Much better.
Yeah, I'm good.
My dear, my daughter.
I can see.
You did go and get the thing that me sent for you the other day?
Yes, I did. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So, what else have gone?
I, went to the beach early on today. Got home a few minutes ago. Had a shower. I feel so relaxed and nice. This nice feeling after so long. So I said, why not call you on to share my experience about the beach and how I felt and how happy I am now to see your face again shining like the bright sun.
We wish we did that if we're taking some of the seawater then.
Indeed.
Eh. But you good otherwise though?
I'm fine. I could be better if you was here with me right now.
Well, me don't plan for coming up, but my daughter, me don't even know if I tell you this. You see me there, at the doctor office, me just come out and we go in there and they tell me one bag of something. We don't even know if it start from give me some medication and all kind of thing, but I never listen for them what them say. That kind of my portion, but the Bible say, seek ye physician. So even though I put God first, me still I feel kinda can be stupid, but me don't take what them say. So all we can say we just pray and what is what, and that is it. So me never really focus on what them tell me say right.
My God. So how are you feeling? Are you okay? Have you eaten? How are you, Mom?
Well, so me wasn't feeling well and start to feel weak and then something there and things. So I have no appetite. I not stress myself, yeah, because stress don't make anything better.
Which is true. Well, I need for you not to worry. You'll be fine. I'll be praying for you. Just keep the faith going and get your rest, eat on time, and take your meds where necessary. Please, Mom. Please, I need you to be okay.
It's gonna be alright. Me not work, me not stress myself. Remember say we raised in a Christian home, and your great grandfather in passed on at 106. So we got them the kind of blood and bloodline in our family, and just keep the faith. So as human being, it's natural to think. But at the same token, I feel let the Lord take the steering wheel,
Yes, Mommy.
So I don't want you to stress yourself or anything like that.
I'm not stressing, but you're my mom, so what do you expect? I'm going to care about you, Mom. You're my mom, I'm going to care.
Just pray, and whatever the Lord have in store, He will order. Whatever case it will be, it'll be alright. It is well.
Whatever case it will be.
Yeah, man. It will be well. It will be well. Whatever the end result is, it will be well.
Anyways, Mommy, I have to call you back. I'll keep in check with you, and I'll be praying just the same.
Alright, my daughter, I love you. We will talk later because I'm kind of tired,
Be safe on the road. Be safe on the road. And don't use a phone while driving. Jamaica and America is not the same place. We know this.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Alright, my daughter. Love you, my daughter. Stay pretty and stay safe. And we talk later, God's will, alright?
Love you more, mommy. Best mommy ever.
Alright, bye, man.
Mwah.
Alright.
Alright, dear. Bye. Oh my God. God bless our best mommy. Protect your Lord. Adria, relax. Stop it, just be myself. No stop. Right. Keep on a call for it, me good. Me no must good. Me no me say me no mad, me good. Jesus, me just have this good bond with myself, this nice relationship. So me can't talk to myself again. Me say me no mad, stop call my phone, man. Me no need no help from you, me alright by myself, me no need no family, no friend. Me have me, myself and I. Me not get attached to nobody to come hurt me. You understand? Me just alright by myself. Me say me good every time you come. Me alright. Me no must good. Me never good in a airport in the newspaper. Me good. You wonder if me mad? So through me talk to myself, me mad. You don't understand the relationship me have with myself. It's just a nice bond. Everybody should have this bond with themselves. You get to know yourself more and everything like that. It's a great feeling. Me say me no mad. You know what me call her back? Here, me call her back. I call this phone. I call me if I'm good. Me no must good. Eh? Look at my picture. Adria? Don't think about this weather there, girl. So good girl. What are we gonna do today? Oh yeah, we're gonna. Somebody will call my phone. Mister, stop calling my phone. Stop calling my phone. No, Mister, me no mad. Stop calling my phone now. I'm gonna block you. I'm gonna block you. Stop calling my phone now. I want to be myself. I want to be myself. Me I talk to myself a while ago, you come interrupt me. Sure. Alright girl, sorry about that. Back to you now. So we could watch movies, yeah? Your favorite Nigerian movies. Maybe we could grab some pizza or some butter and cheese. I can't wait. Me time, I can't wait. Hey. I come call my phone, but I'm gonna block me stay. Ring. I call my phone, but this and that, but my mother. After me not eat the rubbish bin. Sure. Alright, I'm gonna put it on my face, cause she grudge me for my pretty face. Sure, I'm mad, so she can't get my pretty face. Girl, I love you. I love you so much. Girl, I love you. Andrea, I love you so much. Thank you, babe. Woo! Anytime. One more time. If I come for one more time, let's go to the show. You mash up the phone, you know. Listen, no, calm my phone. Calm my phone. And the TV now function. I'm gonna watch my TV. I'm gonna watch my TV. Don't tell me something about Adria, you're talking to me. Adria, why you baby like? I'm sorry, babe. I'm sorry. I'm gonna watch it on the phone.
You know, something I want to talk to you about something. Because people tell me things while going with you. I know say you don't really love to talk to people about your feelings and this and that. But people tell me say you talk to yourself. Like you shut everybody out. You don't talk to nobody. I know nothing wrong with you be alone with people, you know, but to the level where you do it, it don't even make sense. You behave crazy. See the other day when me look for you, I see him to me catch you do. People tell me say you have conversation with yourself and I answer and I talk back to yourself. No man, I feel like I don't know, I not say you're crazy, you know. But I think something happened to you. I don't know if you have depression or anxiety, but you need help. You know some of it.
I just nobody get mad on this. I just be honest. That's why me I go call one doctor. Me know say you don't want to call no doctor. Me know say you're a doctor or a friend. But you have to go to one doctor. Listen. At least go one time. Go one time. See what the doctor say. Just talk to the doctor. You know say if you don't want to talk to me, at least talk to somebody. You get what I say? Just one time. My only time I ever go carry one therapist. Just one time. Yes. Alright. You know some of it. Just one time. Alright, I go call the therapist. Because I'm one of the best therapists in the country right now. Yeah. Yeah, later. Sis, I don't say no my therapist, but you have to come. I don't say I'm mad, but you need help. That's why I carry the best therapist in the country. Dr. Haley.
Thanks.
Take care of yourself. I'm call you.
I'll call if anything too.
Welcome. Let me have a seat.
Thanks.
Yes, so what's your name?
My name?
Yes.
Address Kyle Ramirez.
Address Kai Ramirez. You know that?
Ramirez.
Ramirez?
Ramirez.
Ramirez. Okay. That's a very unique name. I've never heard it before.
Address Kai is my first name and Ramirez is my surname.
Okay. So, Miss Ramirez, right? You're not married?
I'm single.
You're single. Alright, so that's Miss Ramirez. What brought you here today?
What?
What brought you here today? Why are you here today?
My brother insists I should be here today.
Well, I was speaking with him earlier, but do you care to elaborate more on that for me so I can have a better understanding?
Him wants to be mad, partially or fully, so him think use the best. According to him, what you say name, Dr. what?
Henry.
Him say the best, so him thinks I should be here today, so that's why I'm here today. My brother said I should be here, so I'm here today.
Okay. So that's what your brother said. What do you think is happening with you?
I think I'm normal.
Normal.
Not mad, not crazy, not insane. I'm just me.
Alright.
Adria.
So, Miss Ramirez, why do you think your brother is of that opinion?
According to him and other people, like my sisters, my aunts, friends, them say me talk to myself, which is abnormal. It's strange, it's weird. To me, it's not.
Okay.
I enjoy speaking to myself. At least I'm my own best friend. I won't hurt myself. I won't betray myself. I will always have me, so why not have a great bond with myself? So people find it strange.
Okay.
They think I'm psycho up here, so I'm so person now walk. You know, I walk to them.
Okay, Miss Ramirez. So based on what I'm hearing, I am not able to make a diagnosis just yet, but it appears as though you're in denial of a particular fact. I'm not sure if that is correct.
So why you say I'm mad?
No, Miss Ramirez, calm down. That's not what I'm trying to say any at all. I'm just trying to understand the situation better. Alright, so you are saying that your relatives, your friends, your brother and all is saying that you are mad, you're not normal and so on. What I'm asking you now, Miss Ramirez, what do you think is the problem? You're saying that you think you're normal, right?
Alright, to me, yes, me normal, but can you help me? Truth of the matter is this, I wasn't always like this. Like, I lost my mom.
Okay.
I lost a child.
Okay.
I lost so many things in this life, the ones closest to me.
Okay.
So I learned to depend on myself because I'm the only person I'm seeing every day. My mom dead and gone. Pitney dead and gone.
Okay.
Baby father passed and gone. Grandmother, grandpapa dead and gone. The ones I cherish gone.
Okay.
So I see me every day. I see me every day, the beautiful sky, the beautiful Adria. I see myself around me. So how comes me can't talk to myself?
Alright, so I think we're getting somewhere now because you just highlighted the fact that you've lost so many things. I definitely understand. I may not be able to relate because I have lost a child or a mother, but I understand and I can definitely help you. Alright, I just want you to calm down and give me a chance to help you.
So me no mad, right? Me no mad.
We will leave that for further discussion.
Alright, proceed.
Alright. Now, I'm going to be asking you some questions and I want you to give me some detailed response.
No problem.
Alright? When do you normally feel this type of way? When do you normally talk to yourself?
Every day.
Every day. So there's no particular trigger for that sort of behavior.
No, I just talk to myself every day.
So what do you talk to yourself and say?
I'm sorry, this is just me. Adria, you're beautiful. You're the best. I love you. Thanks for being here. Thanks for always checking up on me. I want to go to the movies, turn on the TV time. Nice stuff.
Okay.
Not true.
Well, that sounds really hard for you because from experience, I know that is not normal. However, you may disagree with me. Miss Omeris, calm down. Alright? You may disagree with me, you may disagree with your relatives, but I can tell you from a doctor's perspective that is not normal behavior. Okay? Nobody talks to themselves. Okay?
Am I not human? I'm
Yes,
someone,
yes,
so why
you
can't
are
I talk to
human.
someone?
Yes, you are human, but it's just not normal for you to be talking to yourself. Alright, no, I think I've gathered enough information here.
You said questions. What's the next question?
Alright, that's the end of the questions because I've gathered the information that I need. I think you're struggling with depression. What I can do, however, is to prescribe some pills for you, and you're going to be taking these pills on strict order. So you're not allowed to skip the pills. Okay? And you will feel better eventually. No judgment on my side, it's okay. Do not feel embarrassed. Do not feel any way about the situation. Things is gonna be okay.
What depression mean? You say maybe I go through what you say? May I go through depression or maybe I go through depression?
You are going through depression. There's no doubt about that. Based on your symptoms, you are going through depression.
What name depression?
Alright, so depression is basically a mental condition where you regularly have mood swings, you keep talking to yourself and stuff like that. It can be confused with PTSD, but that is not your case since you've been talking to yourself. Okay?
So depression is mental.
It is a mental condition.
That means I am mental.
That means, Miss Omeris, that you are going through depression. It is not someone mental like people would say mad. I'm not trying to call you mad, Miss Omeris. It's just that you're going through depression. You're going through the first phase of depression. But if we are able to take these medication in time, then you won't matriculate to the latter stage of depression. Is that clear?
Doctor, what you saying him?
I am Dr. Henry, Miss Omeris.
Just break down the words some me I say matriculate, matriculate. Take
Okay.
time with me, I'm not so intellectual.
Alright, Miss Omeris.
Break it down.
Alright, let me give you
Cheese.
a better understanding. Have you ever heard about persons with cancer?
I killed my granny.
Alright, so you know that there are stages to cancer. Right. So you are at the first stage of depression. Just like how somebody's at the first stage of cancer where it's severe, but it's not deadly to the fact that you're going to die immediately. you are at the first stage of depression where it can still be treated and you can still get over it. Is it better for you? So you can relate. Alright, not so clear. Alright, eventually you will get there. Alright, Mr. Omeri, so I have a prescription here. Just a second. So it's going to be 2 pills, however. I am going to be giving you one.
2 what?
2 pills. So one is
what?
on the prescription and then...
2 what?
2 pills.
I don't need your pills.
Why? This is going to help you, Miss Omeri.
These are what killed my mom. These same pills overall killed my mom.
Omeri.
They gave her rat medication. They killed my mom. The
Calm
pills.
down.
They treated her for us, but
Calm
she
down.
did not.
Calm
I don't
down,
want those pills. I don't want those pills.
Look what you made me do. Mr. Maris. Mr. Maris. Oh my God. Come, Mr. Maris. This is not good at all. Yes, security. Come, I need you in the office right now. Seems like we have another patient, you know. We have another mad one. Come on, quickly. She's not responding. Mr. Maris. Quickly. Oh my Jesus. Oh my God. How she know? Are you okay? Are you feeling okay now? Oh my God. Oh my God. You want some water?
Where am I?
It's here at my office. I'm a psychiatrist. Are you okay? Would you like some water? Tell me, are you okay? Sure. Let me get some water, quick. Come, drink up. No, you must be thirsty. It's a good water. Drink up. Alright. So tell me, what can you remember? Can you remember anything at all?
Where?
You're at my office. I'm a doctor. I'm the psychotherapist. Do you remember where you live?
I don't, but I guess you know.
Alright, so I have a card with all your information that I wrote down. You can go.
I can what?
You can go.
I don't know where to go.
I have all your information. Come. Quickly, man. Quickly. You have to go now.
What? Why? The water.
Alright, stand up here. Let me make a call. Oh my God. It's okay. Relax.
What has happened? Why am I here? I can't remember
It's okay.
anything.
You don't need to be asking any questions right now. Alright? My word. Security. I've been calling you from the other... Come on, I've been calling you. Where are you?
Security is on duty.
Security, come. No talking. Come. But I'm going to give you your card with your address on it that you gave me, and you can just run home. Come, let's go.
What's my name?
You don't remember anything?
I don't even know which color is this. What have you done to me, miss?
Alright, I can explain.
Did
But
I
for
came
now-
here with a loss of memory? Or
No,
what happened?
No. You will figure it out as time goes by. But you have to leave my office right now. Alright? Come, so I'm gonna give you the information out here. No man, you can't cry. You're going out here like that. Put a smile on your face. You want to get me in trouble?
Smile, but a loss of memory.
Your memory is not lost, man. Just smile. Huh? Smile. Smile. Stick a pin. Hold on to this. Smile. 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 Yes. Security.
What?
Relax, relax. Anything you come into this room and see, let it stay between us.
But
You ask too much question. Just come in.
But I don't-
Don't say a word to anybody. Come in, quickly. So this girl, right? She came in here last night. She's one of my patients, but she was acting weird as always, like others. So I had to cut her 2 bucks. So I brought her here, but don't say anything. I just want to get rid of her now.
So what is your name?
I don't even. Adria, Miss Omeres. That's your name, right, Miss?
I said I don't remember.
She don't remember.
So you don't remember she doing anything to you then?
I don't even know who she is.
That's what I want.
Alright, boss. So basically, just give her write down the information. Cause you she not know. I'm gonna ask you
It's
to
on
do
her
by
file, man. You talk too much.
Alright, boss.
Come, just get her out. It's on her file. I'm coming to give it to you.
Come.
Now, just smile before you go. Smile. You want to get me in problem? Smile. Alright, so we're good friends, right? Dr. Henry. Alright, Mr. Mary. Have a great rest of your day. Oh my God.
Boss.
Security.
Boss.
I don't know, you know.
You box the patient, boss.
And who are you to be questioning my professionality?
Boss, it's not about professionality, it's about me and you going to prison.
We're not going to prison. I'm a doctor, for Christ's sake.
For what? The box them and them backside, eh?
I got my doctorate. Nobody can send me to prison.
And that you say?
Mm-hmm.
So you feel that, boss, alright? Let me shut them off, them go. Alright, boss.
That's what you should do. Go back to your post.
Boy! You! You! Come here! Come here!
Hi.
What your name? What your name? What your name, Missy? What is your name?
I don't remember. It's supposed to be on the paper. You can tell me my name, please?
You have any sugar? Want sugar? Give me sugar. Give me sugar now. Give me sugar.
You can tell me my name?
Name.
My name should be on this. My name.
Your name.
Thank you. Me.
One 1876. Your name 1876.
What's my name?
Yes. 1876.
Thank you.
No.
I need it. My number and address should be on it. Please, please, ma'am. I'm gonna get you want the sugar? Pay upon sugar, pay upon sugar, pay upon.
1876. Come here.
1876. My name 1876.
Come here. Come here. Come here now. Come right here, son. Come right here, son. 1876. 1876. 1876.
1876.
176.
1876. That's my name.
Yes.
Yeah.
187. 6. How much do we have?
6,000.
Eh? Let me see your toe. Your toe them long and short. Woo! Woo!
What's the name? So what's their name?
Come here. 1876. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Wait. Come. Shh. Count your toe them.
10.
No.
20.
No. 59. 31. You have to learn to count. 18. 26. 100 do we have. You have to learn to count. You eat already? Yeah, you have to eat this. And breakfast. You always eat it for my breakfast.
Yes.
So light. This. Bite. Come on. Now carry over my yard. Come. Right there for me live. And like when you don't have nowhere to stay, you have to come stay with me in the bush. Bush a good place to live. You not pay no current.
I yes, on name bush.
Bush?
That's a bush look.
Bush.
I think I want big, broad something.
Bush.
With door and peak minutes.
Shh. A good place to live, right at home. You not pay no water rate, no light bill, no rent.
What them water rate?
Water rate?
What them so?
When you go to school and use the pen and the ink come out. Water rate. Come. You have to sleep. Right here, son.
May I come?
See this? This on my plate. Me eat out of it.
So eat no?
Me eat already. It's dirty. So.
Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon.
I'm here about my sister, Ajay Sky. I brought her the other day. I haven't been getting any calls from her. I've been trying to get to her, but nobody has seen her. You were the last person, I believe. She hasn't been answering my calls.
Listen, I'm not in the best of mood right now. I know it's not professional, but I do not wish to engage in any conversation based on my mood. So to avoid any further confrontation or the spilling of my mood, I would just want to tell you that we should probably talk on another day.
Talk another day?
Yeah.
But I would like to know what is your diagnosis and where's my sister? Like,
all you need to know, she's mad.
to be honest, that's very unprofessional.
And I'm aware. Come back tomorrow.
Come back tomorrow.
Sir, you're not hearing me or something. I said come back tomorrow. You keep repeating what I said. I said come back tomorrow.
Alright, you know, if you get no attitude in them, just ask me.
And you're still standing here.
See, you just go tell me some sister, man. That don't make no sense.
What's wrong
you
with
get
you,
no pill no, like that. I don't know which one my sister there.
She clearly refused the pill. But sir, I don't want to talk about
She
it right
refused
now.
the pill? So where is she?
Sir, can we talk about it tomorrow? Should I call the security?
You don't have to call no security. I just wanted to know where my sister is.
Just leave.
Alright.
Thank you.
From the other day, I've been going on the road and I've been smoking. So using the house, she had to report warning. Mr. Minamad, stop call phone mine. Stop call the phone now.
Like I shut everybody out, but it need help. At least talk to somebody. I'm gonna call a therapist. Cause I want the best therapist in the country right now. Dr. Bigley.
Thanks.
Take care of yourself. We'll call them.
I'll call if anything too. I'm so personal work. I am not able to make a diagnosis just yet. I don't need a pill. Why? This pill give this a beer. I don't want that. Are you feeling okay now? What has happened? Why am I here? I can't.
It's okay. You don't need to be asking any questions right now.
Winnie. Winnie, what is her name? I don't remember. I can't tell my name. 1876.
Where's my sister? Like,
all you need to know, she's mad.
to be honest, that's very unprofessional. Thanks.
And I'm aware. Come back tomorrow.
Hey, girl. Come in, I boss. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Come in, I boss. Come in, beep. Beep. The gas done. No, me have to go walk. Yeah. One 1876. 1876. One 1876. 1876. 1876. Eng. One 1876. 1876. Hey boy. Hey boy. Hey boy. You see me keep on going them company tree. Hey, me a carry a coat. Me a carry a coat. Hey boy. Hey boy. Your mango tree not have no ripe one. I be a green one the pony. And me a carry a coat. Next time you be a East Indian. You're a fool because you plant Trini. Watch me. Boy! Hey. One 1876. 1876. 1876. 1876. This is your lunch. Drink it.
I don't want that. But me hungry.
Eat it. Eat it.
What is this?
Eat it. That is my car. But save the engine, don't eat it. I need the engine.
To do what?
I drive it all the way from Kingston to Negril. And I want it to drive back to Kingston later. When I'm driving from Negril to Kingston, it takes me 1 minute, 1 second. It's like a plane.
So if me eat a car, where you are going to drive go back and from? And it's so small.
Eat it, but don't eat the engine.
I don't want it, but me hungry, me hungry, me hungry, me hungry.
You hungry?
Yeah.
Come. We got supermarket. Supermarket?
Supermarket?
Yes, supermarket. Supermarket.
Take a car.
Supermarket. Hey, you see before me meet you, you know the here wheel me eat? Eh?
Okay, fire.
Yes, here wheel. It's a vitamin C, A, D, and E. Hold it. It's me and caravan supermarket. One. Supermarket. Supermarket. Oh,
Where we are go?
ask me no question. It's a normal life for me I go do there. You hear me I tell you? Alright.
So where we are go?
We are going to supermarket.
I never tell me your name. What your name?
My name barber shop. Come in the supermarket and ask me no question. Yes, my name barber shop. And we have question me so far. In here so, a filming. This a supermarket they are filming.
Supermarket?
Yes. Supermarket.
Oh, something for eat.
Want something?
Oh, you eat this.
You have to roast it. Put it on fire.
Fire?
Yes.
Where fire there?
Show me place this a supermarket.
So you look so full.
Well in. Shut up one more.
No wonder. We're not bad hungry. We're not one step in the world.
Terry. Next time, you call me by the name barber shop.
Barber shop.
You Terry. Put your name in there. It's not one of
Put I know put me in a no me alone no.
Carry.
You carry.
That are your drinks. Drink it. Listen to me. If you ever show nobody way in that back, what you gonna do? Go stop your hair.
No, no.
1876. Don't make me have anything. Come out of my supermarket. You want me to turn up for my yard? Leave me alone and stop pala back on it. Tell them, man, we are doing this. Why not this? Why open this? Oh no, you can't come here, so. Oh no. Bob, you mean, he's that Uncle Bob. Bunch of them mad people, where them told gone? You have to catch them coming run down mad people in a brother.
Come on now.
What do me care with them?
You know, so me I carry with her. The one more would want me carried.
Why you not, why you understand about wood?
Like you not talk about wood.
Start them the kind of wood they like that.
No, me love me.
You love it?
Me love.
Help me carry this wood here.
Me I carry what me can manage. Carry the wood where you can't manage.
You put on my shoes.
Your shoes favorite truck. You sure not truck you one? I'll truck you away. Eh?
The girl you don't know me, you know. You don't know me, you name out my food, you know. You name out my food. You know me go look good. And you don't want to help me carry the wood.
So me I carry wood here, no wood there.
You want to help me take your wood. Look here.
Take your wood.
Why?
So what?
So if you go use the wood cook and give you name.
If you want. Tell one you name all the wood too.
You know you have to fail me carry the wood.
Yeah, mad me.
You know you have to fail me carry wood.
Let me carry that one.
Carry wood.
Me I can't never carry that one here.
Help me carry wood.
Never carry.
Help me carry wood. Help me carry wood. Help me carry wood. What about this for? But take up your pot and the plate that we put over there. One, before me cook and not give you none.
I not take up none, you know.
Ajay. Girl. I want it. You know something here about you? You know, say one mother woman for a long time now. Where I do it? Yo, back up, you know. Where I do it with my sister? You know, for with me,
boy.
sister. Where do it to my sister?
Hey boy, come in here.
Yo, mother woman.
Come in here, tap.
Move from beside
Be
me.
fear.
Be fear.
One 876. One 876. 1876. All right.
Adria, where I do road that's with the mother?
Don't call me Adria. Always Adria.
And that her name,
My name Adria.
you really listen to the mother.
What?
Shall my sister, you know? Stop behave like a mad girl. Come over here,
My
son.
name 1876. Or something in here.
What is 76? Yeah, I don't even know what that be again. I don't even know what that be again. Girl, look for me, no look for she. Yo, we for the money. No, fight. All that makes sense. Me not even go.
Let go from me.
Stop being like a mad girl. Yo, let go my sister. Me not even want to come close to you, you know, because you're a mad woman, you know. Me not even want to get too close. Ajay. Yo. Ajay, look for me. Look for it. Anyway. Come over here, son. Girl. Ajay. Leave my sister alone. I'm not even going to fight, you know, because I'm a mad piece of woman, you know. Yo. Ajay, look for me. Look for me, girl. I'm my sister.
When the name Adria.
What do you mean in the name?
When the name so. Lord me alone no house and you.
Don't move. Girl, stop behave like you behave like this. Shut up. Don't move. You're a mad piece of woman, you know. You know, so shut up, me not talk to you. Shut up. You're my sister. Shut up. Your name Adria. But may I get help to you? May I get help to
He's
you?
dead. You can't see him again.
Look for me.
Instead, now look over
Me
there.
I go get help for you.
Invisible.
Girl, stop, look for her. Me I go get help for you. Me don't care what me have to do. Me I make sure so me come back to you. No way I say me so come.
You feel like jog me so.
Yo, me general. Pardon, I security guard.
Always asking. I what now?
Who else I ask? No me.
What your name?
My name Jay.
Jay. Alright, Jay. Respect. Nice for asking.
This used to be a mental institution, right?
Mm.
Me dey help you for get some help for get my sister.
Brother, how long would I wait for my pay?
Me wait for you.
Me there as a 3 days wait for my pay. So me know what I'm to you. What kind of problem you have now?
So wait, you're there 3 days I wait till you pay. So your place closed.
But I signed this, I don't know, I can't read it.
You mean I can't read?
Like me can't, you know, done, I just can't read.
It said closed until further notice. And
That's
have
what I
a
said.
big old number upon it.
A number?
Yeah.
What kind of number? Phone number?
Which other number you can? What number?
No, me no know. Brother, I need me pay that, I pay more right now.
All my problem that me. Alright, me not try for you disrespectful, you know. Or just because I just want to go find my sister and me need some help to get her. So that's why I come over here.
So how that
So,
you know?
My therapist where they work, and she's still there.
Come like you know, hear me I tell me. I talk and you now listen. Alright. Me there 3 days, sit down here so. Can't ask nobody I go in there. Me see one note on there so. Me can't read it so me can't ask nobody. That knows the woman over there so just continue to say look. I don't know. So me don't know.
Alright. Me will call anyway, cause right now me need some help, man. Guy security guard, but you come like you're not
What you want? Give me a work you want to give me? A work that look at it.
work, yes, but me and me have one who that get work is.
So what you want? What you say now?
Me need some help to get my sister.
Where your sister there?
You know what I say? Me don't know what I'm telling. Me carry up here and they come like carry her up here, mother road. 4 days now, me I look for my sister. Me come up here.
Yeah man,
We
cause
talk
4 days now me I try to get me pay and me can't get me pay.
Yeah, exactly. Me come up here for talk to the therapist and he come like she not even want to talk to me. She said she have a call security. So me say, alright, let me just come out this. Because me not try to go to prison.
You have a phone?
Of course me have a phone.
Call the number.
Alright. Why sound like swap phone ring?
You want to say a phone ring?
I feel her phone ring?
Well, I could talk to her because she know what I mean.
Hello? I she answer. Where are you up there?
Has she answered the phone?
Yes, you don't see one attack exactly when me I call for.
So look like she put her number yourself.
Me don't know. Me don't just come here and see sign.
Alright, but you give me work still, right?
Yeah, me can't get work.
Alright,
You know if you're strong, you can't.
Yeah man, security me there.
Alright, just cool yourself, man. Be soon for out. Alright, hello.
Yeah?
Fear numbers.
You're not even that evening. Who are you?
Evelyn,
What the look boy now, man? What you want?
what you want is that we go over there, so our mental institute. and one number depend it. So I try to find out some information, I try to get in contact with the therapist.
Listen, the people them close down the place and them tell me to leave a sign.
Alright.
But because I know they would come by and seek information as to why them not see nobody from the complex, I leave my number. You see, so I can tell them that it is now closed. I don't have any more information.
So wait. Why they never left feed them number?
Oh yeah, go ask me. The lady was leaving in a rush, sir. I don't know.
So
And you're stepping on my grass. I don't like anybody step on my grass.
I mean step on your grass. So when if you step on your ear?
Listen, I already give you the information. You were asking for the place is closed, so you need to go and deal with that however
But
you can.
want more information, that's the thing.
Sir,
More
I am
information.
not working with, as you can see, I live across the road from the facility. I don't work there, I don't know anything.
So me can't get no contact. You have it.
No, she left in a rush and she said, put a sign on the gate, I put my number. So if people call, I can say, yes, it's no longer available. There's not a business anymore.
So why you watch tower? Why fear number?
Well, I'm the area leader. You have a problem?
That don't make no sense.
All right, sir. Have yourself a nice day. I don't like anybody disturbing my drinking session. You see, and like I said, you're stepping on my grass, so every step you step, it costs you. So kind
Cost
of
me how much? Cost me how much?
Find yourself out of my yard.
Alright, you know
You're trespassing,
you know what?
man.
You come like you're mad. Cause me not deal with mad people, you know.
Hey, that's why I live across from the facility. Then
Yeah,
you
that's
can't
why I
have
live
me
across the
them time.
facility.
You can't give me juke and injection, anything. Put up at my sign. Bright and out of order. I don't know where you come from. You come like you didn't meet for the mental facility yourself.
Yo,
Yeah?
because for 2 seconds I already have fallen asleep. What kind of security guard is it?
How for you?
Alright, listen. Me tell you, me don't know how to do one day because she'll move.
Yeah.
Alright, let me tell you the situation now. My sister, the carrier, she mother, look like because I therapist will work here and therapist run down. But we need some help to get her. We find her, but we can't. What mother want to do with her? Me personally, me don't fight mad people.
That's my job that. Anyway, so now.
Alright, me pay some money. Yeah, so I just see come out from one job, so we have little bit money. There's more where that come from, you know.
So you just want to find her?
What if it help me get her so me can carry to one place so she can get help?
Alright, boss. Ready?
Of course.
Alright, let's go.
Just know say, me I go give you more, you know. Me have more.
Yeah, man, ready, boss. Ready, boss.
Alright.
Ready if you have 4 days on my day, so I wait for my pay and can't get my pay. And it's a 3 times my pay. Yeah, man, respect, boss.
Alright,
ready.
man.
I don't tell you already say, if you know, reach to the hour, you have to do this and apologize. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I wanted it to be longer, but based on, you know, the availability of the actors, them, alright? So, watch out for episode 3, alright? Episode 3 soon follow. Know yourself, man. Whole heap of things today, alright? So, thanks again. You know what I mean? Do the right thing. Like, share, subscribe if you're a new family member. And thanks again for being a part of my journey, alright? Oh.